spot of gardening. I'll let you know later. Got to be careful of the R-fucks though, the brambles. You do get brambles. I call them R-fucks because whenever you have to deal with one, you'll most often end up having to say, oh fuck. Yes. Might have to leave that one. Fuck, can't get my hand behind it. And that's spiny. No, that's not coming out. Chrome and red. No. This is gonna take some work. Ah, is it? Used to do this a lot in the late 2000s, about 2008. Gardening, trying to reveal old graffiti. I'll get back to you later.